It came as a surprise to the cryptocurrency community when Blackrock, a $10 trillion company, was announced. The value of XRP Ripple is increasing at a rate that is as rapid as they can. This is not a joke at all. Despite the fact that I have all the data, a lot of people don't accept this news, and believe me when I say that you are not prepared for this. Still, it is not the end of it. Everyone was taken aback by the ultimate objective, which is to increase the price of XRP Ripple to $350 C. It would be irresponsible of you to ignore this encouraging sign. Now, without further ado, let's get to the topic without any further bullshit. Thank you very much. BlackRock's potential involvement with XRP Ripple is one of the few things that has generated as much enthusiasm in the world of cryptocurrency, which moves at a breakneck pace. The fact that BlackRock is the largest asset investor in the world makes it possible that the company's entry into the XRP market might be a significant event for this digital asset. It is necessary for you to have an understanding of what an exchange-traded fund ETF is in order to comprehend the significance of this matter. ETF is an abbreviation that stands for exchange-traded fund. In the same way that stocks can be purchased and sold on stock exchanges, this sort of investment fund may also be bought and sold. Buyers have the ability to purchase shares of an exchange-traded fund ETF. The assets that are held by an exchange-traded fund ETF include equities, bonds, and cryptocurrency. Because of this, investors are able to diversify their holdings among a variety of investments without having to purchase each one individually. In the case of digital currencies such as XRP, an exchange-traded fund ETF provides investors with the opportunity to gain exposure to the asset without the need to personally purchase and store the cryptocurrency. With its Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, which has gained around $6.6 billion since its inception, the company has already made a stir, possesses a great deal of influence in the world of finance. At this time, there is a lot of speculation in the cryptocurrency community that BlackRock may soon launch a spot exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. Jack the Rippler has recently sent several tweets that demonstrate how excited people are becoming. BlackRock purchased additional XRP while you were selling it. When it comes to making an announcement, the next corporation to do so is BlackRock. In the beginning, the storm was Grayscale. The reason for this feeling is that there is a possibility that BlackRock may soon do something significant using XRP, which would be comparable to what Grayscale has done in this area. It would be futile to overestimate the significance of the possibility that BlackRock may make an investment in XRP. Not only would BlackRock's entry into the XRP market demonstrate that XRP is a genuine asset, but it would also demonstrate that BlackRock oversees more than $9 trillion in assets. However, it may also result in a significant increase in pricing. In a recent interview on X, analyst Ashley Prosper expressed her belief that BlackRock may submit an application for a position XRP ETF a few weeks after the conclusion of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. The newly discovered material is consistent with the growing belief that BlackRock will soon become a member, which may take place following a significant court judgment regarding Ripple's legal standing. In this particular instance, the law is of utmost significance. In the month of July in the year 2023, Judge Annalisa Torres remarked that selling XRP automatically to individual buyers was not the same as selling securities was a statement that was made. For Ripple, this was a significant victory. On the other hand, sales made to institutional buyers were not considered part of the regulated securities market. Owing to this move, XRP has evolved into a more favorable option for buyers from institutional institutions. If a spot exchange traded fund ETF existed, investors would be able to gain exposure to XRP through the use of a controlled financial product. It's possible that this will bring in a fortune. An exchange-traded fund ETF that BlackRock introduces could garner a lot of interest from both institutional and individual investors. This is due to the fact that BlackRock has a track record of success with exchange-traded funds ETFs and is a leading asset manager. Therefore, BlackRock's potential entry into the XRP market is more than just a means of generating revenue for the company. This demonstrates that institutions are developing a more positive outlook regarding the future of Ripple. It is possible that the involvement of the corporation will result in increased investment and usage on a wider scale. There is a wonderful opportunity for purchasers to keep a careful eye on the development of XRP at this moment. Doesn't it sound entirely insane? However, you have not yet heard what the specialists have to say. All of a sudden, they are bringing up ridiculous numbers and movements in the market that have the potential to alter the future of XRP. Because BlackRock has the potential to have a significant impact, you do not want to miss what is going to happen next. More will be spoken about the ways in which this might potentially alter the world of cryptocurrencies, as well as the implications that this has for you. In light of this, the Ripple value of XRP is currently at a very significant juncture in the history of cryptocurrencies. There has been a lot of discussion regarding how the price of XRP could go up significantly as a result of recent events and the thoughts of experts. The anticipated role that BlackRock will play adds to the interest. The current situation must be understood in order to have a proper understanding of the magnitude of this potential increase. Recently, Us.Thankx posted a tweet in which he discussed a golden cross that appeared on the 5-day chart, a scientific indicator that indicates a potential increase of between 10 and 650 times. Due to the fact that this pattern is frequently interpreted as a sign of expansion, analysts and traders are very enthusiastic about the future of XRP. One of the most well-known individuals in the community of Bitcoin analysts, E.Greg, has contributed to the dissemination of hope. His research reveals that there are parallels between the current behavior of the market and the behavior of the market in the past prior to the significant increase in XRP in 2017. There is a consistent pattern that Y observes in the fluctuations in price, which he refers to as a big red duration followed by a small red duration. In addition, this pattern was observed prior to the increase in 2017. According to the findings of his investigation, XRP is prepared for what he refers to as the XRP mega pump through the use of the super guppy indicator, which is a tool that Greg used to identify shifts in trends and opportunities for trade. This optimistic perspective is strengthened. With the most recent signs from the indicator, it appears like XRP is on the verge of making a significant breakout. It is because of Greg's previous forecasts, which were accurate regarding significant price shifts, that his current research has more weight. In spite of the fact that cryptocurrency markets are inherently unstable, he believes that the way in which historical patterns have aligned signals that a significant rebound may be on the horizon. In light of what he discovered, the period beginning in December 2023 and ending in February 2024 will be of critical significance. For XRP as being particularly significant, comparable to significant increases in the past, it is also possible that the role that Blackrock plays will make these projections even more accurate. If Blackrock, which is one of the most influential asset managers in the world, were to introduce a spot exchange traded fund ETF for XRP, it would provide a great deal of credibility and investment to the cryptocurrency. Taking this action would not only increase the credibility of XRP, but it would also result in a significant increase in financial gain, causing the price of it to possibly increase. In addition to the chart analysis and the potential impact of Blackrock, other individuals have varying opinions regarding the amount of XRP that will be valued in the future. Changley believes that the price of XRP may not reach $250 until the year 2040, and that it may reach a high point of $357 by the middle of the century during the course of the century. Studies driven by artificial intelligence, like as Grok and OpenAI's ChatGPT, have generated predictions that are more negative. In the event that the appropriate circumstances present themselves, there are individuals who believe that the price of XRP could reach a range of $250 to $50 as early as 2025 or 2026. While you would believe that this is the conclusion of the interesting sections, there is still more to come. The Chief Technological Officer of Ripple has just divulged some confidential information which, when combined with the potential impact of Blackrock and these audacious price forecasts, makes the news even more stunning. What follows will take you by surprise. Your astonishment is going to be profound. Read on to acquire further knowledge. David Schwartz, the Chief Technical Officer of Ripple, recently discussed his aspirations for XRP and how it has the potential to alter the manner in which payments are processed all around the world. There is a movie that Eduardo Farina shared with his opinions that goes into great detail about how Ripple intends to deal with some of the most significant challenges that are now occurring in the world of finance by sharing his thoughts. The first thing that Schwartz did was consider the significant new ideas that Bitcoin introduced. In particular, the concept of proof of work. This mechanism is particularly significant since it ensures that transactions are validated without the need for a central authority, which helps to maintain the decentralized nature of the system.